Welcome back to another C# tutorial. I'm Goss, and today we're going to learn about operators. Operators allow us to perform operations on variables and operands. We'll be covering arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click on the bell. Arithmetic operators allow us to do simple mathematical operations. I have two integers, a equals 10 and b equals 3. And in this example, we're going to add, subtract, multiply, divide, and we're going to get the remainder. We're going to add to and subtract from. Now, when I run this, 10 plus 3 is 13. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 divided by 3 is 3. So basically what this does is it returns that remainder, how much is left over after that division is completed. A++, what that is doing is it takes A, which is 10, and it adds to it. The reason that we're getting 10 is because the console.writeLine is writing A, which is 10, and then adds, but it's not writing it again. So that's why we only get 10. Now if we do it like this, plus A, now we're adding to A before it is being written. And the same with B minus minus and minus minus B. So we have 3, then it subtracts, and then we're subtracting from B, and then it writes. And that's why we got the 1. Assignment operators allow us to assign values to variables, such as our integers. We are assigning the number 10 or the integer 10 to the variable a. When I run this, what we get here, so we're setting a to equal b. So a was 10, now it equals b, which is 3. So a equals 3. And now it says a plus equals b. Well, a equals 3, and we're adding 3 to a. So now our a equals 6. And now we have 6, and we're subtracting 3. So now our a equals 3. So now we have a, which is 3, multiplying that by b, which is 3, and we're setting that to 9. And then we're dividing a, so a, which is 9, divided by b, which is 3, gives us 3. A is 3, and b is 3, and then we're going to make it equal the remainder of a divided by 3. And since a, which is 3, divided by b, which is 3, equals 1, there is no remainder, so that's why a now equals 0. And a comparison operator allows us to compare two variables or two hard-coded values So if I run this, what a comparison operator does is it returns a true or false statement. A equals B is asking the system, hey, does A equal B? Well, A is 10 and B is 3, so they don't, so it returns false. The next one, the A exclamation mark equal B, what that's asking is, does A not equal B? It doesn't. A is 10 and B is 3. They do not equal, so it returns true. The next one is A greater than B? Yes, it is. So it returns true. The next one is A greater than or equal to B? Which it is, so it returns true. And then the next one is A less than B? Which it's not. And the final one is A less than or equal to B? Which it's not. So we get two falses. Logical operators allow us to compare one or more statements logically. So if I run these, our first example is A is greater than B and A is less than B. That's what the two ampersands is, the chromatic way of saying and. Now in our second example, we have the same statement, but with two line pips. And what this symbols mean is one or the other. It's a pragmatic way of saying or. So is A greater than B, or is A less than B? And since one of them is true, it returns true. In our final example, we have our exclamation mark, and if you remember, that means not in our equation. Is A less than B? No, it's not. However, since we have it in brackets and we have a not in front of it, it's asking, is it not less than B? And since it's greater than B, it returns true. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that bell. Thanks for watching.